Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N53 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down in order to find either passwords and accounts or Google. It's up to you, I prefer this one. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here we've got a previously added Google account. So let's start this whole tutorial with removing it. So let me tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, of course confirm it, and enter your pattern or use the fingerprint. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. So let's right now add new one. Let's tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. As you can see, I had it saved, so that's why I've used it. Alright, so here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Let me remove it quickly because I don't really need it, so I can remind you how to do it. Alright, and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.